Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so you don't miss out on any new updates from us. Today we're going to talk about a revolutionary way to make money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful artificial intelligence language model that can assist you in a variety of ways. In this video, we will explore how ChatGPT can be used to help you make money. Let's get started. Virtual Writing Assistant. ChatGPT can be used as a virtual writing assistant to help you with your writing projects. It can help you write essays, articles, blog posts, and even books. By providing you with suggestions and ideas, ChatGPT can help you improve your writing skills and help you earn money through your writing. To get started with using ChatGPT as a writing assistant, you first need to create an account on the OpenAI platform. You can then use the GPT-3 API to integrate ChatGPT into your writing workflow. ChatGPT can generate ideas, provide feedback, and even write entire articles for you. This could be a great way to earn money through freelance writing or by creating content for your own website or blog. Social media management. ChatGPT can also be used to manage your social media accounts. It can create social media posts, respond to messages, and even schedule posts. With the help of ChatGPT, you can manage multiple social media accounts and earn money as a social media manager. To use ChatGPT for social media management, you can integrate it into your favorite social media management tools. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write captions for your Instagram posts or to create tweets for your Twitter account. ChatGPT can also help you analyze your social media metrics to identify areas for improvement, such as which posts are getting the most engagement. Customer support. ChatGPT can also be used to provide customer support for your business. It can answer common questions and provide solutions to problems. By using ChatGPT as a customer support assistant, you can save time and money and provide better support to your customers. To use ChatGPT for customer support, you can integrate it into your existing customer support software. For example, you can use ChatGPT to respond to frequently asked questions or to provide troubleshooting assistance to your customers. This can be a great way to earn money as a customer support specialist or to improve your own business's customer support capabilities. Content creation. Finally, ChatGPT can be used to create content for your website or blog. It can provide ideas for articles and even write articles for you. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create high-quality content quickly and easily and earn money through your website or blog. To use ChatGPT for content creation, you can integrate it into your favorite content creation tools. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for articles or to create outlines for your blog posts. ChatGPT can even write entire articles for you, which can save you time and help you earn more money through your website or blog. Research and development. Research and development, R&D, is a critical component of any industry, particularly those in the science and technology sectors. R&D efforts focus on developing new technologies, products, and services, as well as improving existing ones. The process involves conducting extensive research and experimentation, analyzing data, and testing various ideas and theories. Language models like ChatGPT have emerged as a valuable tool in R&D, contributing to innovation and new product development. Education and training. Language models like ChatGPT can also play a significant role in education and training. These models can be used to develop educational materials such as textbooks, tutorials, and e-learning courses. Language models can analyze large data sets and provide insights into student learning behavior and academic performance. They can also create personalized learning experiences tailored to the needs of individual students. In addition, AI language models can be used to develop interactive learning tools, such as chatbots that can help students with their homework or answer questions related to specific topics. Number 7. Language translation. Language models like ChatGPT can significantly improve language translation, which is a vital tool in today's globalized world. Language translation is the process of converting text or speech from one language into another. AI language models use natural language processing algorithms to understand the meaning of text or speech in one language and produce an accurate translation in another language. In addition, AI language models can learn from previous translations and improve over time. This means that the more translations they do, the better they become. They can also take context into account, which is essential for accurately translating idiomatic expressions and phrases. Data analysis. Data analysis is the process of examining large and complex data sets to uncover insights, patterns, and trends. AI language models like ChatGPT can be used to support data analysis by providing advanced natural language processing and machine learning capabilities. AI language models can analyze large data sets to identify patterns and relationships, generate predictions and recommendations, and improve decision-making processes. Furthermore, AI language models can be used to conduct topic modeling, which involves identifying themes and topics within a large corpus of text data. Topic modeling can be useful in fields such as market research, where it is necessary to identify and track consumer trends and preferences. Improving search algorithms. Search algorithms are an essential component of many online platforms, such as search engines, e-commerce sites, and social media platforms. AI language models like ChatGPT can improve search algorithms by providing advanced natural language processing and machine learning capabilities. They can analyze large volumes of text data and understand the meaning and context of search queries to provide more accurate and relevant search results. Conclusion. So, there you have it. These are just a few of the ways in which you can use ChatGPT to make money. By using ChatGPT, you can save time and money and focus on the things that matter most to you. Whether you're a freelance writer, social media manager, customer support specialist, or blogger, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals and earn more money. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.